Assalamualaikum friend, today we create hexagon pattern in Microsoft PowerPoint. So we humbly request to you kindly subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates and new coming tutorials. Now we open our PowerPoint slide, control and new slide open, go to layout blank, draw here rectangle, default size 1 by 1, fill shape, no fill shape, outline black, control D to duplicate. First of all we go to shape, effect, 3D rotation and top up. Second shape effect, 3D rotation, go to left and second right, control Z. And third format, shape effect, 3D rotation and go to right. Now we join this all this point, so our creation unique and accurate. Zoom, left and right side is equal. Control A, control G. Our size is complete. Now zoom out, go to circle, control D. Now zoom in, accurate. Both select control A, control G and control D. Now for shortage of time I pause video and continue to create design. I duplicate control D this file. Now for control D, pause and setting. Now finally our design has been complete, as some variations is removed for completion. Let's start. Remove this. Now pause and remove now. It is a very difficult video has been complete now. In last we request to you kindly like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.